it going, guys? Nathan down here at Freedom Powersports Fort Worth, located off of 820 in Camp Bowie. Phone number 817-244-5201. Today we've got the 2020 Kawasaki Ninja 650. This is going to be a 4-stroke parallel twin, 649cc. It is fuel injected and liquid cooled. We are going to have dual disc brakes on the front here, and also you got your disc brakes on the rear as well. Then in here we have a gas tank, 4-gallon gas tank, so plenty of fuel to last you. Also right here, they redesigned the entire display. It's now all digital. You can see everything clearly. It's going to tell you your gas gauge. It's going to have your miles per gallon. You also have your RPMs, your speed. Now, cool thing about this is you can actually switch it from black to white on the screen, depending on if you're driving at night or during the daytime, to help you see it a little better. You also have a more upright windshield on here. It's going to protect you from wind at higher speeds, give you a little bit more comfortable of a ride. The awesome thing about these is we've been having a lot of people ask if they do come in white, and they are finally coming back out in white. We have plenty of them in stock. You can get these with ABS or non-ABS, depending on what your preference is. But they're a very slick looking bike. They upgraded the seat a little bit in the back, give your passenger a little bit more comfortability, and also the driver as well. These are the new 2020 Kawasaki Ninja 650s, and we got them all in stock. Come on down to Freedom Powersports in Fort Worth, ask for Nathan, and we'll take care of you guys.